children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today's our amazing assignment is related to chapter 2, exercise number 10. You can refer page number 58 to 60. Let's moving on to the first question. Yes, estimate the difference by rounding off the numbers to the nearest thousands and complete the table. Here they given the table. They said to complete the table. Estimate the difference. What's the meaning of estimation? Estimation is nothing but approximate value of the number or rounding of the number. Okay, let's moving on to the first question. See here, they are telling that rounding of the numbers to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. How to do the nearest thousands? First of all, see the number 21,935. In that, what is the thousands place digit? 1 is at the thousands place. Then what is the second step we have to do? We have to check out the beside number or before number of the thousands. 9. We have to observe that 9 is more than 5 or less than 5 or equals to 5. If it is more than 5, you should add 1 to the thousands digit. Then the value will become as 22,000. What is the estimation value of this number? 22,000. Then go for the second number. You can observe the second number while you are observing the thousands place. First, we have to underline the thousands place digit. Then check out the beside digit, right side digit. If it is less than 5 or more than 5 or greater than 5. See, it is less than 5. Less than 5 means as it is number we should write. Means nothing but 14,000. Now the second blank they given for us, estimated difference. We have to find out the estimated difference. Yes, 22,000 minus 14,000. What is 14? For after count after 14, 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 means 8,000. Very good my dears. 8,000. Now we have to find out actual difference. Actual difference means go for the actual difference. 21,935 minus 14,251. Subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Simple subtraction, we know very well. Now we have to subtract 3 minus 5. Is it possible? No, we can go for the borrowing. 3 will become as 13. 9 is giving 1 to that number, no, it will become as 8. 13 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers are open? 8. Now, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 means 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Again, 1 minus 4 is not possible. But it will become as 11 and it will become as 1. Now, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. Now, what answer we got here? 7,684. You can observe here my dears, approximate value. See, 7,684 if you take the round of nearest hundreds, we can get the answer as 8,000. I hope you understood. Look at here once again. Actual difference is normal difference how we were doing like that. You have to do the subtraction. While you are going for the estimated difference, you have to round off the number to the nearest thousands. Then we can go for the difference. Now moving on to the next sum. See here, same like that only. Nearest thousands, we have to first of all, we have to underline the thousands place digit. 9. After that, we can go for the right side digit of that. 6. Now, 6 is more than 5, less than 5 or equals to 5. It is more than 5. Then you can add 1 to 9. Then it will become as 10,000. But we should not add here, no, 10,000 plus 5 is 50,000 is become as 60,000. We have to write it as a 60,000. Now, same like that, here you have to underline the thousands place digit 1. After thousands place, you can find that digit as 0 means it is less than 0, less than 5 only. Then you can write 1000 only. Means nothing but 11,000. 60,000 minus 11,000. 60,000 minus 10,000 is 50,000. Now we have to subtract 1,000 from the 50,000. That is 49,000. Now go for the actual difference. Go for the actual difference. Let's 59,625 minus 11,002. See, here it is simple subtraction we can see. 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 0 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8, 5 minus 1 is 4. Answer is 48,623. 48,623. Yes, I hope you understood. Look at here, nearest thousands place, thousands digit is 9, nearest thousands is 60,000. Here thousands digit is 1, nearest thousands is 11,000. Then estimated difference, then actual difference. I hope you understood. Let's moving on to the second question. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000s. Draw arrows to join the difference to estimate the difference. Here they are given in the box 4 numbers, 8 numbers they given. We have to find out the difference for that numbers and we have to estimate that it is more than 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh. Let's moving on to the first question. First we should write down the nearest 10,000s. Nearest 10,000s. See the first number 3,56,412. 3,56,412. You can underline the 10,000s digits first. 10,000s digit is 5. After that what we have to do? Go for the right side digit. 6. 6 is more than 5. Then you should add 1 to the 10,000s digit. It will become as 3,60,000. 3,60,000. Now same like that you can observe that at the 10,000s digit is 1. After beside digit is 1. It is less than 5. Then what we have to do? Same number we should write. Means 1,10,000. Now go for the subtraction of these. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2,50,000. 2,50,000 is more than 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh? More than 1 lakh. More than 1 lakh. We have to match this question to more than 1 lakh. And you should write the answer in the first, in the box. I hope you people understood. Go for the second one. Now 2,97,412 minus 1,14,529. In that first what is the first step? Underline the 10,000s digit. Check out the beside digit, that is 7. More than 5 means we have to add 1 to this number. Means 90,000 will become as 100,000. 100,000 is nothing but 1 lakh. Means it will become as 3 lakhs. It will become as 3 lakhs and it will become as 3 lakhs. Write down the 3 lakh. Minus 1,14,529. Here also we can observe, underline the 10,000s digit. Beside digit is less than 5. Then as it is 10,000 will come. Means 1,10,000. Now subtract those two. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow from before number. It will become as 10 and it will become as 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 1,90,000. This is also more than 1 lakh. This is also more than 1 lakh. Then you have to match this number also to the same. More than 1 lakh and write the answer. 1,90,000. Now moving on to the next question. 4,55,212. Here you have to underline the 10,000s digit. And beside digit is 5. 5 or more than 5 means we have to add 1 to the previous number. Means nothing but 5 will become as 6. Now 4,60,000. 4,60,000 minus now 2,44,000. You have to underline the 10,000s place, that is 4. Beside number is less than 5, then it will become as 40,000 only, means 2,40,000. 2,40,000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is 2,20,000. It is more than 1 lakh. This is also more than 1 lakh, match to this. Okay, and write down the answer here, 2,20,000. And let's go for the last one here, 4,99,812. In that you have to underline the 10,000s digit and check out the thousands digit. It is more than 5. Add 1 to here. 90,000 will become as 100,000. Means we should add 1 to the lakhs place. Then it will become as 5 lakhs. It will become as 5 lakhs. Write down the 5 lakh. And go for the next one. 1,18,500.